Wow, this innovation center is even more impressive than I imagined. I can't believe I'm actually here at IIT Madras. I've been reading about mechanical design principles all summer, but seeing actual student projects is incredible. I wonder if we'll get to work on something like this in engineering design.
Hey there, I'm Neil, mechanical engineering. Did you see those deer outside? Amazing, right? This place is unbelievable. Are you into robotics? I've been dreaming about building a Hyperloop pod since high school.
I'm Akash, engineering design. Yes, the deer are quite something. I was just admiring this robotic arm design. The mechanical efficiency is really impressive. The servo motor control system could be optimized with a more efficient algorithm. I'm Prajwal, computer science. The integration of AI into mechanical systems is where the real innovation happens.
This is it, guys. 4 years to change the world. We've got engineering design, computer science, and mechanical engineering all in one spot. We could build anything. Flying cars, space elevators, you name it.
Maybe let's pass our first semester before we revolutionize anything. I'd settle for figuring out the campus map first. Actually, the statistical probability of creating something revolutionary while still in college is surprisingly high. Think Facebook, Microsoft. Approximately 20% of successful tech startups begin with college connections.
See? Even the stats guy agrees. I can already see it. Us pulling all-nighters right here, building prototypes, coding breakthrough algorithms, changing the world one innovation at a time.
If I increase the propeller pitch by just 2.5 degrees and reduce the weight distribution here, the agricultural sensor payload capacity should improve by 15%.
No way! No way! Our Hyperloop design made the finals! Do you know what this means?
Based on previous competition statistics, making the finals increases our chances of securing funding by approximately 72.3%.
Guys, we're meeting Elon Musk. The email says finalists get a personal review session with him at SpaceX headquarters. This is it. Our big break. Our Hyperloop design is going to be seen by Elon Musk. Meeting Elon Musk? That's incredible. Your Hyperloop design really deserves this recognition, Neil. All those late nights are finally paying off.
Cool. Ask him if he's considered quantum computing for Mars communication protocols. The signal degradation over that distance could be mitigated with entanglement-based transmission systems.
This is exactly what I dreamed about when we first met at orientation. Remember? I said we'd change the world. This Hyperloop could revolutionize transportation, cut carbon emissions, connect cities like never before. And Elon Musk is going to help us make it happen.
Technical achievements are great, but what's the point of building if it doesn't solve real human problems? My agricopter could help farmers in drought-stricken regions maximize yields. Your Hyperloop could connect remote villages to cities. Prajwal's algorithms could democratize computing power. That's what matters. Statistically speaking, the three of us working together increases our innovation potential by 340% compared to working alone. Our complementary thinking patterns create an optimal problem-solving matrix. Perhaps that's why we've advanced so quickly.
First Elon Musk, then the world, huh?
Well, I'm in, but let's finish these projects first. And these samosas. They're getting cold, and I'm not facing quantum algorithms or Hyperloop designs on an empty stomach. Ugh, my hand is killing me. I've spent 3 hours just annotating this one engineering PDF. Students spend way too much time doing this stuff manually. There has to be a better way. Wait, I could build an algorithm that recognizes annotation patterns. It could categorize highlights, organize notes, maybe even suggest relevant information based on what you're studying.
And I could design a sharing system, something where students can access each other's notes, collaborate in real time. Think about how much easier group projects would be. We could add a feature that lets you export annotations as study guides, and maybe a search function that finds specific notes across multiple documents. This could save students hundreds of hours per semester. We could call it Desk Lamp because it illuminates your study materials. I'm thinking a clean interface, minimal learning curve, maybe a freemium model where basic annotations are free, but advanced features require a subscription. Let's think about our target users. Initially, we focus on engineering and medical students who deal with heavy PDF loads. We can start here at IIT Madras for beta testing, then expand to other universities. The real value is saving time. If we can demonstrate that clearly, adoption should be organic. We'll need cloud storage for the shared annotations, secure authentication protocols, and a robust synchronization system to handle concurrent edits. I can build a lightweight prototype in Python first. Then we can migrate to a more scalable architecture once we validate the concept. This could be huge. Think about it. Every student in the world uses PDFs. That's a massive market. We could start small, but scale quickly. What if DeskLamp becomes the standard tool for academic collaboration globally? From a cramped hand to a startup plan. It's gonna take everything we've got. Coding through vacations, skipping internships, pooling our savings. But we can build something that truly helps students everywhere. DeskLamp starts tonight. Are we in this together? And for outstanding academic excellence and innovation, the Institute Gold Medal goes to Prajwal Prakash from Computer Science. That's our guy. Go Prajwal. Whoa! Institute Gold Medal. That's my roommate, everyone! So here we are, graduates with gold medals and 25,000 users on DeskLamp, and exactly 0 rupees in revenue. We build something people use but won't pay for. The usage metrics continue to grow exponentially. Look at this, 85% retention after 1 month. That's unheard of. We're solving a real problem. We just haven't found the right monetization strategy. What if we go freemium? Premium features for power users. Or hear me out, what if we pivot to enterprise? Corporate documentation is a nightmare. Or maybe, we can sell anonymous user data to publishers about study habits? No, that's probably evil. Forget I said that.
4 years ago, we sat not far from here, dreaming about changing the world. I guess building something 25,000 people use is no small achievement, even if we're broke. The statistical probability of success increases with each iteration. Failure is just data, and we have plenty of data now to inform our next attempt.
Hey, did you guys see that Y Combinator is accepting international applications? What if we applied? Silicon Valley, guys, we could take DeskLab global or even build something new. We've got nothing to lose.
Y Combinator?
That's not actually a crazy idea.
They funded Dropbox, Airbnb, companies that seemed impossible at first. Do you think we could actually get in? I'll start on the application tonight. We have the technical skills, a working product with users, and a founding team that's worked together for 4 years. Based on my analysis of previous YC cohorts, our chances are surprisingly good. This isn't the end. It's just the beginning.
Remember how long those Loom videos took us for the DeskLamp tutorials? We spent weeks just creating simple explanation videos.
What if we automated that? AI could convert screen recordings into polished tutorials automatically. Think about it. No more weeks of editing. Just record and let the system do the rest.
Wait, that's actually brilliant. Could we really build something that does that automatically? Think about how many companies struggle with documentation. Product teams, customer support, IT departments, they all spend hours making tutorial videos.
If we could automate that process, they'd pay good money for it.
Look, user uploads a screen recording here. Then our AI analyzes the workflow, identifies key steps, generates text explanations, adds visual markers, then outputs a professional tutorial. We could call it Clueso, like giving people clues about how to use software.
I can build a computer vision algorithm to detect cursor movements and UI interactions. We'll need natural language processing to generate the explanations and a rendering engine to create the final output. Totally doable.
I can already see our target segments. SaaS companies with complex products, corporate training departments, online course creators.
The average tutorial video takes 4 to 5 hours to create.
If we can cut that down to minutes, we're talking massive value. Guys, I think we just found our demo day idea. 2 weeks to build a prototype, perfect our pitch, and show YC why they were right to bet on us. We can do this!
From a cramped San Francisco apartment to our own office space. Still can't believe we made it this far.
And the best part, we're right back where it all started. I can literally see our old innovation center from the window. Talk about a full circle moment.
According to my projections, if we maintain our current growth rate of acquiring 2.3 clients per week, we should reach our first milestone of 50 clients approximately 14 weeks from now. I've already onboarded our first 5 clients with a 92% satisfaction rating.
Guys, our focus group really hates the name Giga User.
This one says it sounds evil. Maybe we should stick with Clueso after all.
There goes my dream of shouting welcome to the Gigaverse at product launches.
Fine, Clueso it is. It does sound more sophisticated anyway, like a tech-savvy detective solving your documentation problems. The server backup failed during the outage. We've lost 3 days of interface improvements and the new onboarding sequence. We'll need to work through the night to recover everything before the client demo tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, well, just you two gentlemen, I present our 51st client. Future Tech Industries is officially onboarded. They're upgrading from producing 5 training videos a year to 100 a month using Clueso. That's a 2,400% increase.
7 interface redesigns in 3 months. 7. But you know what? The usability scores have jumped 200% since version 1. Remember when that first tester said our UI looked like a computer science project, not a product? We've come a long way. The seed funding round officially closed this morning at $1.4 million. We now have runway for 18 months, can hire a team of 15, and the statistical probability of our 5-year success metrics has increased from 31.7% to 58.2%. We've officially become a statistically probable success.
Three years ago, we were just 3 clueless students down there. Now we're running a company with 15 employees and $1 million funding round. $1.4 million in seed funding? Still can't believe it. And that email from Professor Sharma saying the entire engineering design department is using Clueso for their tutorials.
Remember when we thought changing the world meant building rockets or Hyperloop pods? We had such grandiose plans in that tiny CFI workshop.
Yeah, and then we spent 3 years making a product that helps people make better tutorial videos. Not exactly sending rockets to Mars, is it?
Statistically speaking, solving one specific problem exceptionally well has a higher probability of success than attempting revolutionary moonshots. Our market penetration among educational institutions is already at 37%. Clueso, born from our failures and now helping thousands. We may not have built rockets, but we built something real, something useful. And we did it together, just like we always dreamed.
Look at all those freshmen down there. I wonder if there's another trio of misfits about to start their own journey.
Poor kids have no idea what they're in for. Whatever they build, I hope they remember it's not about changing the entire world at once. Sometimes it's just about making one small corner of it work better. That's how real change happens.